Hello Bain Bay drivers, my name is David Foster. I'm the Senior Safety Manager here. And today I want to talk to you a little bit about rolling traction versus braking and turning traction. So driving in hazardous weather conditions can be difficult, and a lot of drivers believe that if they have rolling traction while traveling down the roadway, that they'll be able to brake or turn when needed. It's really important to remember that just because you think that you have rolling traction, that doesn't mean you will be able to brake or maneuver without losing control. Braking and turning exerts more force on your tires and requires a lot more traction in order to do so successfully. You should always drive 5 to 10 miles an hour below what you think is your safe rolling traction speed, and never overdrive your own truck's abilities or your own abilities. An old trucker once told me a long time ago that when you're in winter driving conditions, you should drive like you don't have any brakes at all, because odds are, in an emergency situation, you're not going to have them. So slow down, increase your following distance. Remember, you are the captain of the ship, and you need to determine whether it's safe to travel or not. If it's not safe, please park your truck and notify your fleet manager of any potential delays. We also recommend, before you start on your trip, visit safetravelusa.com. It's an interactive website that allows you to get weather and road conditions. Thank you for being safe and professional drivers.